One of the hardest things to accept in life is the word no. It feels like rejection, like failure, like something is being taken away from us. And trust me, I get it. No one likes to hear no. But over time, I've learned that no is not the enemy. It does not always signify rejection. Sometimes it's a redirection. For believers, it may be God's way of protecting you from something you can't see yet. And at some points, it's just life teaching you patience, resilience, and the power of moving on. Now, think about it. How many times have you been told no, only to later realize that something better was ahead? That job you didn't get, that person who walked away, that opportunity that didn't work out, it eventually makes sense later. So instead of taking no personally, why not take it as a lesson? Take it as a sign that there is something better, something greater, something more aligned with where you are meant to be. And when you hear no again, don't break down. Don't quit. Just smile, refocus, and keep going, because your yes is coming.